So hi hello everyone, welcome back again to another interesting topic of protein, energy, calorie, malnutrition. So energy is also same and calorie is also same. It is called as PCM or PEM. So let us go deep into the subject. I'm not going to waste too much of time explaining unnecessary things today. It's a very short but a lengthy video. It is really good to hear the complete length of this video so you may understand it was also helpful for your subjects. Please do watch the complete video. As I told you in the shorts, I just defined what is PEM. So protein energy malnutrition is a condition resulting from the deficiency of the proteins and the calories in the diet, and it also affects the metabolic disturbances and affects the growth factor. If you are not intaking the proper protein or the carbohydrates, how the body is going to get the energy and how other organs should support the metabolic actions in your body without the ATPs. So of course ATP generation takes place with the help of glucose. The glucose is generated only if you intake carbohydrates and proteins. So this is the basic concept that you have to understand in detail. Now, due to these metabolic disturbances and growth imbalance, there are two major conditions in PEM. What are those two major conditions? That is Marasmus and Kwashiorkor. Now it's our time to discuss more deep about Kwashiorkor and Marasmus because they both are not same. They both are of course the diseases or the conditions that are related to PEM, but they both have different risk factors and different pathogenesis. So let us go deep into what is Marasmus and what is Kwashiorkor. Let us differentiate, and now I will start the main topic of the video. Please concentrate. Now in short, let me explain you what is Marasmus and what is Kwashiorkor. Let me make you understand the major difference present between these two conditions. So Marasmus is a severe calorie deficiency, isn't it? Severe calorie deficiency. And muscle wasting and edema is not seen in this particular condition. That is Marasmus. Same opposite to Marasmus is Kwashiorkor, but there is a small difference. Kwashiorkor is a condition where severe protein deficiency is seen, but adequate calories are there. So this is the particular difference you have to see between Marasmus and Kwashiorkor. So as I told you, in Marasmus there is no muscle wasting and no edema, but in Kwashiorkor we see fatty liver condition, that is also called as hepatomegaly. So this condition and also edema is present. So this is the major difference between Marasmus and Kwashiorkor. Now let us discuss in more depth what exactly happens here. First point we have to observe is the person has been taking inadequate nutrients. So in nutrients, as you all know, there are macronutrients as well as micronutrients. So proteins and calories fall under the major nutrients. Here there is a lot of deficiency in protein and calories. So this leads to the negative energy balance in your body. This is the major, it's like a base for this particular condition or the disease. The inadequate amount of protein and calories in the diet that is intaken by the person. So this gives the negative balance energy in the body, which primarily disturbs the metabolic functions. So when there is a negative balance energy in the body, we can observe energy depletion. There is no energy in the body, energy depletion takes place. How this energy depletion works? First, the body uses the glycogen that is stored in the liver completely. After the glycogen, fat is burned, and next it comes to proteins for the fat. Then hypoproteinemia takes place. In Kwashiorkor, due to hypoproteinemia, edema is seen. So this condition is linked to the Kwashiorkor, where after energy depletion there is no adequate amount of calories, no adequate amount of proteins, but here in Kwashiorkor edema takes place because of hypoproteinemia. So this is completely a small cycle of the Kwashiorkor. Likewise in Kwashiorkor, as we see edema, we also see impaired tissue growth or any tissue regeneration, very less in amount in the marasmus, because low proteins, of course, it affects the tissue buildup and the healthy organs to functions. So this also affect indirectly in marasmus. Next, it comes to fatty liver. Due to, lipase does not produce in a proper way, there is imbalance in the fat production or fat burning thing. Here what happens, hepatomegaly is seen. How hepatomegaly is seen? It is also called as fatty liver. This particular condition is only seen in Kwashiorkor but not in marasmus. As I told you, marasmus is purely a calorie deficiency disease, but in Kwashiorkor it is completely a protein deficiency disease, but calories are there. So calories will, when the person is intaking calorie, no adequate amount of proteins, this is how it affects on the lipase. Here is the main turning point why there is a edema and fatty liver seen in the Kwashiorkor patients. And this, it is like a combination for both the diseases. Whatever the points I have told you till now, it is completely a combination for both of the diseases. In commonly, both of the condition people will be affected with low immunity and low electrolytes balance in the body. So this was a small, briefly explained about this PEM, that is protein energy malnutrition. If you really have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I'm really ready to and happy to give the answers. It's been a lot because all these years you have supported me. It's almost 710 subscribers till today. I'm really happy and thankful for all the subscribers who have supported for me till date. It's my responsibility to bring up more educational and interesting videos so that even a common people has to know about all these few little things, so that prevention is better than cure. Telling all these things, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you so much. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.